Hi guys, so I thought I'd share another little project of how to get rid of some of your tiny little scrap fabrics. About 6 months ago I went through a phase of just sewing all little scrap fabrics together, and I've used some, but I tend to make lots of something at one time, and so I always make way too many for me to use. But anyway, I did share some scrap fabric swatches yesterday, and if you haven't seen it, I'll put the link to that video in the description box of this video. But these ones are some little, I don't know what to call them. they kind of have a boho look and feel. They weren't intended to be boho flowers. They were just meant to be little grungy, scrappy fabric flowers. And for me, whenever I put all different fabrics and colours together, I always just think boho for some reason. But all they pretty much are is just little scraps. So you just get a scrap of fabric. This for me is a big scrap. I normally use even littler. And if you just fold that scrap over and just cut a little half circle, and do that for all different sizes, then just give them a big mix up, and you just randomly select little circles and pile them together. And on the top I've put like a little itty bitty scrap folded over, and then just a few stitches on the sewing machine. I was actually going to put buttons in the middle, but I was probably too lazy to put buttons on that many. I have put buttons on a few that I've used, but as I use them, but I decided to put different, like a yellow or an orange or a bright color in the center so it looks like a flower center. Anyway, you just stitch them and layer them up, and I think they come out pretty cute. So these I would just use as like embellishments in your junk journals and tags and pockets and stuff like that. Some are bigger than others, and if you want them even grungier, just, you know, ruffle the sides to fray them up a bit. This one I've got some netting from like an orange or onion bag or something. Some I've put scraps of book pages in there, because that's another thing that if you're a crafter you seem to have a lot of those all the time laying around. But I think they're like super cute. The same with the scrap fabric swatches. The trick is don't overthink it. There's some onion bag as well in there. You just have to randomly select pieces. The only thing I did was put, you know, larger to smaller. But if you start overthinking it, they just take forever. So you just have to, you know, grab a piece and stitch it together. First piece you grab, you go with it. So you can put bits of lace and tulle and whatever. I do like the ones with the browns. I think they always turn out cute. So I've even put some, you'll see some woolens in there, some knit fabrics. Anyway, that's all. I just thought I'd share them. There's another one with some knit fabric and onion bag or something. So on the back they're just, you know, little cross stitch. Well, not a cross stitch, but a little cross sewn with the sewing machine. And they're super easy to make. You don't have to think about it. So I thought I'd share that, and I'll put some of these in my little Etsy shop as well if you're interested, and I'll put the link in the description below as well. Okay, that's it. Thank you.